my name is Shir and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make a carrot cake with toasted coconut because why not? This is a recipe that I constructed from other recipes, a few of them, and then added to it the coconut, which I thought was a really good addition. It turned out really well. I'm also going to link to the recipe below. Usually carrot cakes are made with walnuts. I'm both allergic and hate it. So I started to think about alternatives. I usually go for pecans, but they're expensive, and also almonds are quite expensive. And I just did this week, I bought some unsweetened coconut flakes. So I thought, why not add this? I mean, it's also kind of a nut, isn't it? So let's get to it. We start by toasting the coconut. While the coconut is being roasted, peel the carrots. Since I'm not here to look after the coconut, I'm going to reduce the heat to low-medium. It started to be a bit more golden. I turn it up a bit to medium heat. You can see it changed its color slightly. I need to keep doing that. So pretty. How I like to toast coconut, it's just the best. Are you a coconut person? Tell me in the comment below if you're a coconut person. Perfect! To the carrot I add the brown sugar and cinnamon, and I mix it together. Already measured a quarter of a teaspoon of cinnamon, a quarter of a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon and a quarter of baking powder, and also salt. We'll mix it a little bit. I have here my sunflower oil. I add to it 100 grams of sugar and whisk it well. We add an egg. Squeeze a bit the carrot and add it to the mixture as well. Add the coconut. We add the flour mixture in 2 batches and mix in between. Mix it, fold it gently. That looks pretty well to me. Get all the sides. Yeah, this is awesome. This is how it's supposed to be. See, it's really thick. Now carefully we break an egg, only the white. This is how I separate the eggs. Very professional, but yeah, it works. It's not yet. Is it at soft picks now? I can do a little bit more. And that's it. Add, oppa! You see the texture? It needs to be something like this, so it will add airiness and lightness to the cake, so it won't be too heavy. Now we fold. Need to be doing this really carefully. Almost there. You see how the mass became really light, brighter? Okay, I think it's good. I think it's good now. I have here a loaf bread. It's pretty big, so this recipe is good for this. And now we'll fill it, and I already preheated the oven to 170 Celsius degrees every bit. Make it even everywhere. Good. Not the prettiest, but I promise you, it's so flavorful that you wouldn't care. I'm going to try also to put some toasted coconut on top. I hope it will do good. We'll see. Now we put it in the oven for 40-45 minutes and hope for the best. Took this inside in the middle and it's 100% dry, even though there are only 35 minutes. So when it's ready, it's ready. Okay, since the cake is a bit of this thing in the middle, then I am going to make the syrup. So let's do this. I'm going to strain what I've left from this mixture from the carrots into a small pot. I have a lemon here. I'm going to have some zest into it, just a little bit, something like that. And also some lemon juice. It smells like spices and lemon. Also gonna add some more brown sugar. Mix. Put it aside to cool down. And now we cut it. It's still warm inside. I'm going to take this piece and try it and get it in the room. It's pretty late. I have the cake. I think I forgot to put the hot water tablespoon in the batter. It needs to come before you whisk the egg white. And what it does, it makes it more airy. I'm sorry. Just that when you film, then you might forget things. I didn't notice. Filming and also making stuff, it's pretty hard. I mean, forgetting stuff is the obvious. Let's try it. What I love about this cake is that it's just so balanced. It's definitely not too sweet. It's just wonderful. It's just the right balance. You have the nuttiness, you have the slight saltiness in the coconut flakes. When you roast it, it goes over even. So all of these things together are balancing each other out, and the texture is really great. I mean, you have like a crispy coating, like a small layer, and the inside is really soft. I feel like it might be a little bit denser than the first time that I created it. This is the second time. But yeah, usually when you invent something, then the second time it's never the same. But it's a really nice carrot cake. I like it and I'm happy I created it. And yeah, it takes a little extra effort with the egg white and separation of eggs and stuff like that, but it's really worth it. It adds so much to the texture. It gets so light and fluffy. This is actually the first cake I actually finished. Usually a whole cake this loaf thin is big. So every cake that I made it's just too big, and then sometimes I just freeze half and then I can like defrost it and have it for a few days after. But this one was so good that I was, oh my god, I can't stop eating it. It's just that good. My go-to baking stuff for myself is usually cookies, because you can always just bake a few of them and then freeze the dough. I don't know, cake usually gets like stale and it dries a bit, but this one was just so wonderful and so good that it didn't, and I finished it before it got dry. So I definitely highly recommend to make it. And if you make it, please tag me on social media with the hashtag ShirEats, or you can mention me in the story and I'll reshare it. Coconut you can just toast in advance and like have it in the cupboard sitting there waiting for you to make things. If you want to know what else to make with toasted coconut, I have a recipe on my channel for a lemon and toasted coconut cookies with white chocolate. Go and check it right here. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more baking videos, tell me in the comment below what interests you. If you want to see more videos like that, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you get notifications when I upload new videos. And I hope I'll see you on the next video. Bye!